Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, hi, I'm SUA and I'm here to make your day. So finally, the type of content we both have been waiting for. As you've read by the title, by now you should have known what is going to happen in this video. We're gonna be making an advent calendar in this video. So if you guys don't know what an advent calendar is, it's kind of like a mystery box which has 25 doors or 25 boxes in which there are different types of products. So advent calendars are made by many brands, like they are made by makeup brands, they're made by skincare products, they're made by bath and body products, and also many other different types of brands. Even they're made by TikTok as well. So it's a huge big box or a huge mystery box which has 25 doors or 25 different boxes to be opened on each day until Christmas, or you can open everything at once itself, and it can be given as a Christmas gift as well. So that's what an advent calendar is, and I've been planning to make this for this year from the starting of this year. So finally I'm gonna make an advent calendar in this video, and I hope you all like how it turns out. So this is a very lengthy process, and I have started making this I think 2 weeks before I'm posting this video. So this video has been a really long process, and in between I fell ill as well, so it took a little more longer for me to post this video. But I hope you guys like the compensation of the short videos in this full week. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do in today's video. We're gonna be making an advent calendar, and it's gonna be a really long process. I'm not gonna show you the products which I'm gonna be putting in the advent calendar. That is another video which is gonna be next week. So all the products I'm putting in this advent calendar are made by me, and haven't bought anything. Only the raw materials I've bought, which I would require to make all these products. So I'll be revealing all the products in the next video, which I'll be showing, which I'll be opening the advent calendar. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do in today's video, and let's get started.
So first we'll be starting with the making of the boxes. So here I have a thick cardboard type sheet in which I'm gonna be making the boxes, and I will be marking the measurements according to the products which I'm gonna be putting in the box. Now I'll be making the cutout of the box, and will be folding it into the shape of a box, and stick the flaps accordingly. So here I have already made a few cutouts and made few boxes as well. So this is how they are gonna look in the end, and will be of different sizes. So this is how I've made the boxes, and here are a few more which I've already made, and you can see the different sizes. So this one in particular has a different flap because it's a heavy object. So to hold it properly, I have done it this way. Now coming to altering the big box, in which I'm gonna be putting the small boxes. So I'm gonna be doing some minor alterations and then gonna be wrapping with some red gift wrap so that it looks festive. After I was done wrapping it, it still looked very plain and not so festive. So I had these snowflakes which I'd made for previous Christmas, if you guys remember. I thought I'll stick them onto the box and make it look more festive. Then I added this button and thread so that I can open and close the box and it would look more interesting. So I did that as well. The next thing I suddenly thought of was to color few of the boxes red and green so that it looks Christmassy and doesn't look just one color all around. So after all the coloring and making of the boxes, I somewhat place them into the big box so that I get a hint of how it will look and how everything will fit into it. Then I started numbering the boxes randomly and wrote it with black marker and placed them into the box in reverse order, as in the 25th box first and the first box last. So this is how the inside of the advent calendar box looks like, and I feel it looks really creative and unique.
So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you liked it as well. I will attach the final picture of the whole box in the next clip. So that is it for this video. I was really excited. I was really pumped up to make this video and I'm really excited to do the next video as well, and I hope you all are excited as well. So as I said earlier, the next video is gonna be me opening the advent calendar and showing you all the products which I've put in each door or each box. So yes, that is it for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed the process of making an advent calendar, and I hope you all loved what I did for this video. If you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and also please subscribe to my channel. It's almost the end of 2022 and I hope you liked my content in this year. And thank you for all the love and all the support you've given me and this channel in 2022, and I hope it continues in 2023 as well. Let me know in the comments what part of this video did you like and what part of the advent calendar making did you like. So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again in another video. Bye.